In today's complex building environment, keeping your systems running at peak performance takes more than scheduled maintenance. It takes continuous monitoring, rapid intervention, and smarter service. Trane's digitally enabled service agreements combine the expertise of your trusted technician with powerful, data-driven insights helping you continuously optimize and modernize your heating and cooling plants. This isn't a replacement. It's an evolution. The same technician you already trust, now equipped with digital tools to identify issues sooner, troubleshoot faster, and keep you better informed every step of the way. Through continuous monitoring and digital inspections, Trane's experts can detect subtle trends before they become problems and turn insights into opportunities. Whether on-site or remote, inspections are backed by real-time analytics, ensuring your equipment operates as efficiently as it was designed to. Upgrading your service agreement is simple, and it starts with a conversation. No added complexity. Just smarter and faster support. With Trane's vast service network across all continents and beyond, you're backed by deep expertise, powerful technology, and a partner who's always connected. Let's optimize and modernize your HVAC system together.